What's up, everybody? It's been a couple weeks since our last update video, but I've been hard at work at upgrading the FusedVR SDK and crypto APIs to a new version that will be coming in just a couple weeks. Because we're still in an alpha beta stage of these APIs and SDKs, there are going to be some pretty groundbreaking changes that will kind of deprecate all of the existing SDKs that are out there. But I'll add in a lot of functionality, like the ability for you to get that magic link and have code authentication even without emails. Of course, the email functionality is still included, but making it a lot more seamless and straightforward to provide various different options to make sure that your players have an easy way to authenticate into your games. App IDs will also become required as we're kind of slowly starting to move towards a more self-managed system. So I'm really looking forward to that. We're slowly moving in that direction, which I'm really excited about. If you do have questions, or if you want to take a look at what is available in the upcoming versions before I kind of officially announce that in the coming weeks, make sure to reach out to me on Discord. That is going to be kind of your best place to get in touch with me and ask any questions about what's coming up and get early access to anything that you might need if you're currently using that SDK in anything that you're building today. So that's all I wanted to say in this very short video. As you have a couple weeks, please reach out on Discord if you have any questions or want to see what's coming down the pipe. And I'm happy to share that over there. And yeah, otherwise, just look forward to a ton of new updates when it comes to this SDK and API that I can't wait to share very soon.